Hi everyone, good morning from beautiful sunny London. Hope you guys are good. Crypto Cafe here. I hope you guys are having a beautiful morning and enjoying the sun. Okay, in this video, I've got some really cool stuff to talk about. We've got some exciting Bitcoin news. We're also going to be looking at the overall market, how people are feeling about it, looking at the charts, seeing what we can potentially do, how we can make a great value in everything that's going on, how we can cost dollar average, how we can get our positions, how we can get in position and make a major gains. And I've got a couple of announcements. Oh my gosh, before I go any further, guys, I have set up my Patreon group by popular demand. I've seen the comments and people have been saying, do you have a Discord group? Do you have a Patreon group? So I finally set up yesterday. In my Patreon group, we are going to be covering some great stuff. We're going to be talking about altcoin gems that we need to be getting in now. Bitcoin has done a drop, it's done a pullback, but not to worry. We are going to be getting in position. We're going to be getting altcoin gems. We are going to be making major gains. And also, I'm going to show you things you can be doing so to be making major gains on your cryptocurrency. So no matter what is happening, you're still making major gains on a daily basis. Also, we're going to talk about staking, pre-sales, and all that good stuff. Okay, so if you haven't already, make sure you join my Patreon group, which is brand new. And the first 50 people, I have a treat for you from myself. So it's super exciting. Okay, before we go any further, just to let you know, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a crypto lover, a crypto enthusiast that loves doing so much research and finding these good gains. It's always good to make these nice gains and all of that good stuff. So if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys always, because I always try and jump on and do videos. Okay, let's just jump straight into it, right? Okay, as you can see by the chart over here, we have overall been in bullish territory. Bitcoin hit all-time high, and it did it very quickly, where we saw 63, and it was really exciting. It went up very quickly, as we all know. But as of recently, and not too long, we have been in bearish territory. As you can see from the charts over here, we have been dropping. So Bitcoin has been going down, and it's been bouncing around this triangle. It recently broke out this triangle, but now it's on a downward trend. It means that we could potentially see Bitcoin drop to 25k. So we have to be prepared for that. But overall, we are still in bullish territory. I think a general consensus, many of us see, is Bitcoin hitting over 100k. But as of now, it has done a pullback. But not to worry, with this pullback brings opportunity. It means opportunity for us to get in position and get in all these altcoin gems that we were supposed to get in before. So we can get in position now and cost dollar average and get in for a really good price. So many of these gems are undervalued. And in my next video and to my Patreon group, I'll be letting you guys know about some undervalued gems that we need to get in. We need to have in our portfolio to make major gains. So I'll be covering that in my Patreon group. So guys, do not miss out on that. And I'll also be covering it on my YouTube videos afterwards. Okay, perfect. So we can see the charts, and we can see currently we're in a downward trend, and we're currently in bearish territory. Overall, we're still in a bull run. It's still a bullish territory. And I feel like we still are going to hit the 100k. But of course, we may do a slight downward trend. Perfect. Okay, let's just jump into how people are feeling. I was looking at Fear and Greed Index, and it shows that people are in extreme fear right now. But do not worry. With extreme fear brings great opportunity. Everything brings great opportunity right now. So basically, this means that we can just get on these altcoin gems early, make these major gains. Okay, so when we get in on these altcoin gems early, we are going to see these exits. We're going to see these exits when Bitcoin is hitting to potentially 100k. We are going to see these exits. So we're getting in at a great position. It's even a great time if you don't hold some of these safe coins like Bitcoin, like stuff like that. If you don't hold Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these kind of stuff, Luna, all these other kind of stuff, it's a good time to cost dollar average. But we'll talk about some really great altcoin gems that we can do major gains in, and how you can make money by barely doing anything really. I'm making money every single month by doing anything, making the most of your cryptocurrency pairs and coins and all that kind of stuff. So we'll talk about that, all the things you can be doing to make major gains, because we don't want anyone missing out, right? Okay, lovely. The exciting news I've got for you, some of you may have heard, some of you may have not heard, because there's been a pipeline talking, but today it's been approved. El Salvador approves the first law for Bitcoin as a legal tender. What it means as a legal tender is that in El Salvador, them approving the first law for Bitcoin to be a legal tender. Legal tender is that you can pay for your debts. This is the way payment for your debts. So you could use Bitcoin as a payment for your debts in El Salvador, because they've approved the first law, which is super exciting that they've approved it as first law. So that is exciting. That shows they see the potential in Bitcoin. They see it as valuable enough for them to approve it as a first law, as a legal tender. I think that speaks volumes, yeah. So that's super, super exciting news, and that's super positive news for Bitcoin. It shows how far cryptocurrency has come in this world, right? So us getting it, so us being the whole cryptocurrency space now, we're ahead of the game, basically. So I thought that was super exciting. Also, exciting news: crypto exchanges see biggest Bitcoin outflow in 7 months. A reason to cheer. Woo! Okay, that was me trying to cheer. Whatever. Yeah, the reason why that is really, really exciting is because basically this means people are not selling their Bitcoin, they're holding their Bitcoin, which is powerful, right? The reason why it's powerful, them holding their Bitcoin shows us they must see the value in it. They must know, like, okay, it potentially to them be super valuable, which is good. The fact they're not selling it gives us strong hope, and it shows how far Bitcoin can come. They're not selling their Bitcoin, they're holding their Bitcoin because they know the value of Bitcoin. So we're still in a bull run, and we still need to maximize on this bull run, and that is exactly what we'll do. We'll be giving you some great altcoin gems, and we'll be making major, major, major gains. So I just wanted to do a video letting you guys know about that. And if you haven't already, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and remember to join my Patreon group, because a nice treat for the first 50 people, because I've just set up a Patreon group, which is super exciting. But yeah, I'll be giving you guys more videos with more great information. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Bye!